my reading that you are abundantly blessed for agriculture. You have a lot of agriculture commodity. I have here a very brilliant expert in the country on agriculture. That's why I asked him to come to accompany me here, and he will be helpful on a number of advice you want. And also the agribusiness. Because we think, if you see, for example, how the other industrial countries started, they start by agriculture. Before moving to the strict manufacturing, is agriculture which has been helpful to support the country. And I think you have all means to bring out the benefits of agriculture for the state too. The third component is the SMEs development. The SMEs development. When you see, for example, the SMEs we have, the SMEs contribution to the GDP of this country is huge, but many of them still informal. That's what I said before. So how can we try to formalize those small business to contribute to the economy of the country? So, Your Excellency, once again, I'm very, very happy to be here. I would like to say that UNIDO is more than committed to support you. UNIDO is more than committed to support the good people of Edo to materialize its dream in terms of economic diversification. And I would like to take this opportunity to now release to you officially one of the outcomes of your advocacy work for your state. We received early the first request we received to show the visionary leadership of your governor is to undertake the industrial development policy of the state. The document has been done since 1 year. Your governor requests us also to undertake the environmental policy. It has been done 1 year ago. So what has to be done now is the implementation, because there are a number of recommendations we made to address a number of issues. And that's why we are here to listen to His Excellency. At the same time, I would like to list to him officially the country program which has been signed by the federal government of Nigeria, through which the two documents we produced for Edo State derived immediately. And also, I would like to take this opportunity once again to thank you for your hospitality. I would like to thank you for really your willingness to strengthen the cooperation with UNIDO. And once again, as I said, we are ready and here for that. Thank you very much. Of course, I said that let me come with a number of pens. We can write the story of our.
Bankole, the country director of UNIDO, United Nations Industrial Development Organization, and his colleagues who have taken time out to pay the long-awaited visits to us in Benin. But to tell you that since we met, a lot has happened. Beyond the elections, we have hit the ground running. I'm very pleased to inform you that without sounding immodest, we are currently undertaking a program in Nigeria that's going to be second to none in terms of data gathering. The program, which we've christened Data to Mega, which means data to make Edo great again. Is a program where we have more than 1,000, actually 1,200 young men and women who we've trained, given them devices, and created a governance arrangement which incorporates the local governments, the GIS team, every agency that requires data, either for social intervention, for economic planning. They all came together as a team under a governance arrangement to put a framework with which we've sent people out with devices to go and collect data. And we've broken this down on a local government by local government basis. So I can sit and literally tell you how many people are unemployed, how many people are widows we have who are not doing stuff, how many schools. We are building data like no one else will have. As you can tell, as you see, COVID has changed the world. I mean, and technology is it. Seek ye first technology and everything follows. And so we want to emphasize technology. And what we've done is we've gone into deals already to see how we can make Edo a hub for training technology capacity. So the combination of electricity, and by the way, we have one of the largest broadband connectivity in the country, in Benin City. We have about 400 kilometers of bandwidth, which we worked with Main One and Facebook on. So with bandwidth and electricity and the people, we can become a technology hub. And we've actually started that. I'm sure Uki will walk you through some of the transactions we have. We have a live transaction now, and we're having the first 100 to 200 of them coming in later this month or next month to start the nucleus of a technology park. And so for us, we've looked back and say, look, in Nigeria today, in West Africa, in Africa, in terms of culture, the Benin works, the Benin Empire has so much to sell. And we've been working with various groups, including the Benin Dialogue Group, on artifacts that were taken out after the invasion. And that, in combination with the Black Lives Matter movement, has created so much interest. And we've been working with the museums, major museums in Europe, on the return of these works. And the deal was struck. It's like, you know what? Yeah, we can. There are 4,000 more pieces. We may not be able to get all of them back. However, we would like you working with us to build, world-class museum in Benin, where we place some of these works, and so that the world can come and see where these works came from, and that way we can promote tourism and culture. And we've just procured the services of some world-class planners to start a 30-year Edo master plan. It's going to be a geospatial master plan that helps define the physical space, and also economic and social indicators and plans within the framework of, a master plan, a real master plan, so that we hope that we can now set a new trajectory, a path into where Edo should be headed in the next 30 years. And clearly, like you said, there's really no reason why we cannot make it. With people like you, if we don't, then it's our fault. I want to thank you so much and say we're really looking forward to this visit and making sure we get so much out of this. Thank you.
Paparazzi should please step up, please.